Hello students, I am Miss Pratima. Today I am going to explain you the characteristics of particles of matter. This is for science class 9th. Okay. As we have already studied what is matter, what are the different states of matter, what are the difference between their characteristics, etc. Okay, so today I am going to explain you about the different characteristics of particles of different types of matter. First characteristics, that is particles of matter have a space between them. That means uh, all the matter have space in between them. This I would like to explain with taking an example of sugar which has been dissolved in water. We know that when we dissolve sugar, salt and all the things in what? In liquid, they completely get dissolved in water or in liquid. That means what happened actually there? They have occupied all the available spaces between the particles of liquid. Clear students? So the first characteristics, that is particles of matter have a space between them, is explained. In case of solid, the space between two particles are very less, or there is no space between two particles of matter. Whereas in case of gas and liquid, there are little space, okay, between the particles of matter. Next characteristics of particles, that is particles of matter are continuously moving. We know that each and every particle of this universe are constantly and randomly moving. That is why? Because each and every particle possesses some kinetic energy. Okay, and because of this kinetic energy, they are moving continuously. What is this kinetic energy? Kinetic energy means the energy which is being possessed by any object or particle when it is in motion. Okay students, so each and every particle, maybe it is small, maybe it is bigger, everything in this universe are being in constantly and continuously in motion. Clear? So here I would like to tell you that how the motion will get increased. We know that if we hit any object, so what will happen? The particles which are present in any matter will oscillate or move with higher kinetic energy, and as a result they will move faster. Clear students? So with rise in temperature, the movement of particles in particular matter are been increasing. Clear? After this, the third characteristics which I am going to explain, that is particles of matter attract each other. We know that each and every particle are attracting each other. It means each and every matter is consist of different particles. Okay, few may have positive charge, few may have negative charge. So what happened? They are attracting each other. So the force of attraction between the solid particles are maximum. Okay, because when I explained you in the class, I told you that arrangement of the molecules in matter, there we have studied that in case of solid, the particles are very closely and tightly packed to each other, whereas in case of liquid and in case of gases, they have little space between them. Understood students? So the force of attraction between the particles are being maximum in case of solid, whereas in case of liquid and gases they are less as compared to what? Solid. Clear students? Here there is an activity given 1.6. This you can please read by yourself. All the activities kindly read by yourself. Okay. Next, on page number 4. On page number 4, that is states of matter. This I have already explained you in the previous class. There are 3 states of matter: the solid, liquid and gases. And the differences and the difference in their characteristics we have already